Hi, it's Tony. You are in Pop Pop's workshop. So I had a question for you. It's something that I've gone back and forth with. I see a lot of other YouTube guys doing this, and I need your help to decide how I'm going to approach this subject. And that is the title of our video, to ask or not to ask. Basically, asking for subs for a YouTube channel. We've got a small channel. I'd like to see it be a bigger channel. I'd like to get to more people, but I need to know if the content I'm putting out is worth that. And really the only way to know that is if I get more subs or if you're interested in what you're seeing. I've gotten some really nice feedback at times, and I really appreciate that. But let me know. Do you think it's bothersome when you constantly see the, hey, like and subscribe, hey, like and subscribe, like every other panel? At the end, just a one and done. At the beginning, hey, reminder, like and subscribe, or just subscribe. Which of those combinations do you guys find the least obtrusive, the least irritating? Because I know for me, yeah, a nice reminder at the end of a video that's maybe a new channel I haven't watched before, and they, hey, like and subscribe, or we'd appreciate your subscription. Okay, sometimes I don't think about it, and I'll go and check out what they've got on their channel, and I'll subscribe. So hopefully that's something that we can do that won't bother those of you that are subscribing. Let me know. If you don't want us to do that, we won't do that. But I really would appreciate the feedback. So hopefully you're having a great day in your shop. And remember, you can do this.